Okay guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video today, this Fo2, this update is about Fo2 coin. I've shared about this platform before on this channel concerning Fo2, how to start and make free money on Fo2 and how to claim that free money and start from there and start upgrading, making money every single day on Fo2 coin. So I've shared it a lot on my WhatsApp group. Many people have joined already. So right now, I want to withdraw this money from Fo2 and I don't know, maybe the platform is still paying or not. So right now I want us to look through this together to know maybe this platform is still paying or not, so that you too can start up with Fo2 coin. As you can see right here, I have 5.13 Fo2 coin here. Fo2 coin, if I convert it to USDT, is equal to 6.9 6.9 USDT, which is $6.09. So 6.9 USDT. So right now, if you look up here, you will see that I have 10.721. I have 10.721 USDT here on my account. So if I transfer this $5.6.09 to it, it will be 16.7 something or 8 something. So right now, let's see if actually I can withdraw this money or not. So if I make this withdrawal, as I'm making this withdrawal, after I make the withdrawal, I will show you how to start up with this platform and make free money first. How to start up and earn for free. You will earn money for free on this platform. Then I will show you how to withdraw that free money you earn on this platform. But make sure you ready your at least $11.89 for grant to withdraw 10 point something. So after that you will now continue making money every single time on this platform every day. Just keep on watching. So right now I want to transfer the $6 here to this $10. So click on transfer. So I have how many Fo2 here? Let me check it again. Okay, 5.13 Fo2. 5.13 Fo2 is equal to 6.09. So as you can see, my balance is now 16.811. So right now I want to withdraw this 16.811. Now I will go to where there is withdraw. We click on extract there. Sorry for that. Now click on extract. Click on extract. So I am withdrawing to this my wallet address here. I think I'm withdrawing to this place. So I am withdrawing to this wallet address right here. So I want to withdraw to this wallet address. Let's see if I'm going to receive the money. You can see the last time I received money to this wallet address is today from MTBTC. So I just upload the video too. So let's see if I'm going to see this one to withdraw. I want to withdraw everything. Let's see if I can withdraw everything. So I've input the amount I want to withdraw. Now click on confirm. Now input your withdrawal password. I have input my withdrawal password. Now click on confirm. So as you can see, submitted successfully. So right now I'm going to wait till I receive the money on my on my this thing on my account. If I click on transaction history right here or withdrawal history right here, this withdrawal history, you're going to see the withdrawal history there. Let's see. So these are my withdrawal history. I've withdrawn. This is my first withdrawal here. This 10.15, and this is my second one right now. You can see it. My first withdrawal on this platform is on the 1st of January, and my second is on the 4th. So you can see it. Let's see if this platform is going to pay us or not. So before that money gets into my account, let me show you how to make the free money from this platform. So when you register on this platform, if you want to register, check the description of this video. You see the registration link there. So when you register on this platform, just come to this place here. Just come to this place here. Then click on click here. Click here. Click on real name authentication. Then do your verification. Make sure you have your ID card, your valid ID card. So make sure you have your valid ID card. Then after some minutes or some hour, they will approve your verification. So immediately they approve your verification, they will give you free uh machine, mining machine. All you need to do is to just click here, view my mining machine warehouse. So when you click on it, you will see it here. As you can see, this is the mining machine warehouse, the free one they give to me. It will work for you for about 4 to 7 days. 4 to 7 days. They just write the 4 here, but it will work for you for about 4 to 7 days, and it will give you about $8 to $10, $8 or $10. So that $8 or $10, you can, after you get you will get it here on your Fo2 coin. So what you will need to do is to just click on transfer, then transfer the amount you see right here. Transfer, enter it, input it in here to convert it to USDT. So when you convert it to USDT, the money will appear on the USDT wallet right here. USDT balance or wallet balance there. So when it appear there, it will be something like $10 or $8 sha. So after that, you will now click on go back. You will now go back, then you will now deposit. You deposit at least, if you want to start with the lowest one, you will click on charging, then you will deposit 11.89 USDT. You can just click on it, 11.89 USDT, deposit it on the platform. So when you deposit it on this platform, the next thing to do is to now buy the micro mining machine. I think they have increased the micro mining machine here. Okay, they have changed it. I see the notification early. So get the experience mining machine here. You can purchase it. The experience mining machine. This is the price, 11.87 USDT. So after you purchase it, or you can use this thing, the free mining machine given to you, the free mining machine any given to you to just purchase it. But you can just, or for me, I would like to purchase it on my own. So after that, after you purchase it, then you go back to your account, then activate it. Click on view my mining machine, then you will see the activation code somewhere around here. Somewhere around here, just click on enable. That is it. That is all. Your mining will start immediately on this platform. So that is how to go about it. So let me still check. Now the money I've entered, as you can see, success. success, they remove about 0.5045 dollars as a transaction fee. So to receive like is 16.2, 16.3 or 16.2. Let's see how much I'm going to receive. So let's see, I'm going to receive 16 point something. So let me refresh the page. So I have received it. You can see it here already. So this is it. You can see that my balance has changed. So this is 16.3067. You can see that my balance has changed. So guys, this is how the platform work. That is how the platform work. They are paying real. They are paying real. You can see it by yourself. You know, I do my things with live proof. I do my things with live proof. Not every update I have that I used to do live proof to, that I used to do live withdrawal to. Some I'm just withdrawing some on a low key, so you can join my WhatsApp and my Telegram channel, WhatsApp group and my Telegram channel. You will be seeing my updates here. Not every update I upload on YouTube also. Some updates might be a quick update. So you can just join my channel and my Telegram and my WhatsApp group and you'll be following up. So guys, thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button. And again, if you have not subscribed to this channel, on this channel I share different video on how to make money online, different ways to make money online. So guys, try your best and do this one. Try your best and do this one. So if you want to buy USDT, you can buy USDT on Binance. Try to be used to USDT. Not always it is not always you will be withdrawing money to directly to your bank. If you want to know how to save money this year, if you want to save money this year, save it on USDT. You can save it on crypto like USDT. Don't always save all your money on bank because of many other updates that are coming, so that it will be easier for you to just fast and quickly run the updates. So guys, thank you for watching and goodbye for now.